Look how beautiful. Nicole bought me those hanging flowers. And they look like they're going to be having a nice rainy shower day. Look at this. Wow, we've been hit by rain like this since we got here. We never seen rain coming down this hard. It's beautiful though. And you see, it's like a little hail coming down. You can see. So wow. Whoop! It's lightning and thundering. Wow. Listen to that.
That was close.
That was pretty
Because it
close.
flashed, and it literally, like, before the flash stopped, the thunder was starting.
Look at Nicole.
That
She's
was-
all bundled up. Look at that. Yeah. But the guys just left to Sandpoint to get some wood and all that. We don't know if that is too intelligent, but if it doesn't go too good, through there. We come back. Well, this is it. That was all of it. Still have a little snow up there the hill, but that's gonna be gone. Beautiful day. March. Flowers are getting a little natural water. Beautiful.